Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Mark with the DeFi Degenerate. Today, I want to do something different. So what I did is I actually looked up the top posts from Twitter for crypto posts. I clicked two of the ones that I thought were the most interesting, and I want to share those with you. So I'm gonna get into it. So what I stumbled upon, I like infographics, I like pie charts, I like this stuff. I like stuff that's quantifiable. Not the smartest tool in the shed, but I like stuff that you can use to compare. Take this off. And this is what I found. So I want to get into it. So I found a tweet by Rich Quack on Twitter, and I actually want to click the actual chart, and I want to talk about this. So this is the trending searches on CoinGecko, and we're going by project, okay? Of course, Quack made this to show basically where they stood amongst the greats of, you could say, cryptos and how they rank. So we're going to start left to right, and we're going to get into it. So we're going to start with Uno. I know most of you guys may not know what market cap, trading volume, price change on the 7th day, and in current price. And but just follow along. If anything, I will break it down or look it up for you, and then we'll go that way. Okay. So we're gonna go with Uno. Uno has a very small market cap at about $16.1 million. Market cap um, and total circulating supply is what will calculate the price. So the price isn't like if a coin's $100, but they have a small market cap. What it means is they may have a lower circulating supply of coins. This is good. It does mean that the price really doesn't matter as much as the market cap. Market cap meaning if this market cap were to double, right? The one for Uno, and it goes to 32.2, there's a good chance that this price can go from 27 cents to 55 or 54 cents. That's really what that means. Trading volume is how much has been traded. Pretty straightforward. Price change from 7 days is about 30%, and the current price is about 27 cents, and you can find it on KuCoin. Tilos, market cap of 296 million. It's getting up there. It's not amongst the greats, but it's pretty close. As a trading volume of 9.28 million, a price change of 92%, and its trading price is about $1.16, and you can find it on KuCoin as well. So just so you and I are on the same page, I'm going to do a quick search, and we're going to look up what trading volume and price change in 7 minutes. What does trading volume mean in, okay? What does trading volume tell you? Volume measures the number of shares, okay, traded in a stock or contract. Volume can indicate market strength, as rising markets on increasing volume are typically viewed as strong and healthy. When prices fall on increasing volume, the trend is gathering strength to the downside. Okay, so that's in crypto. Let's see if the definition changes. Crypto trading volume measures how many times a coin changes hands over a given time frame. Investors analyze crypto volume backed on either trades taking place on a given exchange or on all exchanges taking place. Okay, cool. Now this gives us a better insight. It does mean this has changed hands a bunch of times for Uno and Tesla and Telos. And then let's look up what the price change means, because I'm not that smart, but price change in meaning. Yeah, I mean, this is basically how you start learning what this stuff means. So, second. Am I Croyo? Oh, look at this. I don't care about none of this. That in the past 7 days. Cool, 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 cool. Let's go to P. Parachain, passive income. We know what that passive manager. We know what that is. Payee, peer-to-peer, P2P, peer-to-peer lending, peg, specified price at a range. Let's keep going. We need to get to R. Yes. Okay. Hmm. Wow, there's a lot of names here. Huh? That didn't help me much. Yeah, I mean, if that search really did nothing for me. So if I'm gonna break it down in my words, it just means that in 7 days it's changed 30%, 90%. You can find it on KuCoin. Let's go to Phantom Wallet, FTM. FTM has a market cap of 5.51 billion. Huge market cap for a coin, on very well up there. Not the biggest, but very close there. It has a 971 million trading volume. It's not bad. The price change in the last 7 days is 2%. I mean, that makes sense with about 2 million. What about $2.17 a coin? And you can find it on BNB. Yeah, like the chance that this can double is very likely because the Phantom Wallet is growing a lot of appeal for the audience, low fees, low transactions, and then the fact that OpenSea and other exchanges want to start using Solana and hosting their collections there to have a unified presence, it shows good. I mean, this could touch the trillions just like Ethereum and Bitcoin. All it really depends on is the adoptions, the use cases, how many times it's going to be used, and what type of layer 2 or layer 1 solutions are going to be implemented on it. Okay, then we're going to go to Verse 17.1 million, trading volume 158K, 60% price increase, and it's trading at 2 cents, and you can find it on Uniswap. You could correct me if I'm wrong. Anyways, small market cap gives this means that the small market cap and the price, like I said, the small market cap means if it's the 100x, which is very possible, or 10x, and go to 200 million, this price will definitely catapult, and you can see changes like this. Of course, it's harder to see these types of changes on bigger market cap coins, but that's okay. Then we're gonna go to Gala, 2 billion market cap, a billion in trading volume, uh, and 40% price change. So I mean, in the last 7 days, that's huge. I mean, 26 cents. That means that price increased 40%. Um, so that's almost 50%. So I mean, this literally had to be ranging around like 16 cents for it to touch where it is now. I mean, pretty cool stuff. Then we got Juno, a $1.12 billion market cap. Trading volume is just under 14 million. Price change 80% the last 7 days. And this is as of January 5th, Phil. Of course, the market has dropped severely, but it is what it is. And the current price is about 28 bucks. Yeah, I mean, you can see here the trading volume's weight is up there, but it has a smaller trading volume of coins that have a market cap that's even half or a quarter. Like, look at this. If you go to Telos, it's a quarter of what it is basically, and it basically is a hop, skip, and away to the trading volume. Meaning, more people are finding the use in Telos than Juno, but the price change is ridiculous. We got Avalanche. Avalanche is amazing, of course. What about close to $1 billion in trading volumes? Meaning, this is how many times it's traded hands. 10% increase in the past 7 days. This from January 5th, and at the price of $1. The price of I'm wrong, 78.56, and the price change of 16%. This is crazy. Avalanche, I believe, has the possibility to touch a $1 trillion market cap because it's more aggressive, low gas fees. There's a lot of layer 1, layer 2 solutions built into this platform. Not a lot of congestion. Can transact at high speeds. I mean, there's a lot going on for this coin. We got Cell. Never heard of this one. $25 million market cap, basically. 950K trading volume. Not bad for an up and coming coin. Price change around 10% and $1. You find on Uniswap. Let's keep going. BNB. I mean, BNB is at 423, but less. I think about a year or 2 years ago, I mean, this coin was sub 100. So it shows you where coin can get very quickly. $72 billion market cap, 2 billion in trading volume. That's expected, and a 10% increase. Even though this coin has a $70 billion market cap, it's seen almost a 10% increase in the past 7 days from as January 5th, and trading at 423. I mean, this is, of course, there's been correction since, but this is huge. This shows you where how volatility can affect things. And then we have the maker of this post, Quack. Quack is about $80 million market cap, $2 million in trading volume. You can say since they're an up and comer, this is good. There needs a lot more widespread adoption, but Quack has a 3% price change in the last, and it's a hundredth of a cent. This is big. The reason why is these are the types of coins. If they triple and they touch a penny, you're set for life. So even if you put about $1,000 in this, you'll get a billion Quack coins. And at that point, like, you really could just test your luck. But that one's more spraying and praying and just hoping that it goes somewhere, because they can always go the other way around. And this is another one that I saw. This is the most active cryptos based on GitHub data for the past 6 months. Basically, people creating smart contracts, what contracts they're using, what edits they're using to their contract. This is basically a lot to say about that. This is as of February 4th, 2022, fairly new, by the Phoenix Group. Love this. Thank you so much for providing this. Let's get into it. So it's showing that we're going to go bottom up, okay? So on the bottom of the list, we got Mask Network, Mask. Price change is about 52%. Contributors, price change in contributors. Yep. We got 45 there, and about 1,100 commits. Commits are, you can think of commits as people adding contracts or building a functionality within that network. This is cool. It shows us that there are 45 people working on this as of right now, as in contributors, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it's the top 10. So the 10 is Mask. This is pretty cool. Yeah, let's get into it. Then we have Mina. Never heard of this one. At 30% price change, but 57 contributors. 1,200 commits. Cool. We got Bitcoin, which is one of the biggest one, has over 100 contributors. 70% price change. This is affected a lot by the news, and people banning crypto, but that's a lot of stuff that we really, it's hard to talk about. But the commits are on 1,200, meaning there needs to be a lot more people trying to build crypto. You could say the Bitcoin as commits to then have more functionality, have more use cases, add more utility in order to keep up with demand. As Ethereum has a crap ton more of comments and people actually trying to build on the network than Bitcoin. We got Rubik, RBC, 20%, 10 commits, 10 contributors with over 1,200 commits. That's intense. We have, but when you think about this, when you think about lower coin, you can see like people you don't know about with 10 people with this and this type of building, this type of contracts they're building on the network. This is something to look out for. If that was to double, I mean, we would see the adoption of new coins and new wallets that we've never seen before, new layer ones. Let's keep going. We got GRS, price change with over 100 contributors and 1,200 commits. I mean, never heard of that one, but that is a lot of contributors, and it matches with the commits. We have Chainlink, 30% price change, 99 contributors, 1,200 commits. We have FEI, FEI, 1% price change or 0.1%. 10 contributors with over 1,500 commits. That's a lot of people. That's a lot of energy in one project for it to get somewhere. It is. We got Card Stacker Card, 57% price change, 32 contributors and 1,681 commits. what this shows is even though in bull markets, right, like the price change, this is all price changes. I'm almost positive if there's no plus in front of that, it's going down. That even though there are bull markets, I mean bear markets, and the markets are going down, the amount of contributors has most times in the most statistics has increased, meaning there are jobs that are going to keep hiring for this to build their contracts, build their networks. Sorry, my nose itches. Even if the markets take a dump. Then we got Trust Wallet, TWT, 17% price change, over 99 contributors, and 2,200 commits. This is how you can see the adoption of major wallets. It'd be interesting when Mask or MetaMask makes their own token. That'd be going to be dope. And then we got Solana at the top. I like this is obscure, but it is what it is. 40% price change, basically 100 plus contributors and 2,283 commits. Um, when you're looking at this, the only thing that you could be thinking is, okay, let me do some research on what are these protocols I know nothing of. Why are there people actually pouring so much energy into them? And if I find value in them, what do I need to do to take advantage of this? Again, if you love stuff like this has been Mark with the DeFi Degenerate. I love sharing stuff like this with you guys. If you love this, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye.